Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Gonna go fly up to East Troy, Wisconsin for a little lunch barbecue place called LD's Barbecue. So if you could see, I got most of the leaves picked up around here. Bogey, you didn't help me at all picking all the leaves up, but I think most of the leaves are gone out of the tree. So the four of us neighbors and their planes are gonna fly up to East Troy, have a little barbecue. So come along. All right, thanks for joining. Yeah, you're funny.
We're doing it! We're doing it!
There.
I'm going to get going, man. I'm ready. Go ahead.
And Poplar Grove traffic, 01 Tango, we're clear of 1-2 and taxi in Poplar. Thank you, guys.
Poplar Grove, 800 Mike Foxtrot RV8, departure runway 12 at the northeast departure, Poplar Grove. All right, clear left, clear right, run up's done. Lights are all on, make sure prop full forward. Everything's in the green. Got full power. Oh, little jerky. All right, boost pumps off, pressure's good. All right, guys.
Approaching altitude.
North to be entering the pattern on the 45 for runway 13, Iowa Falls traffic.
It is Friday.
Poplar Grove, 7 Charlie Whiskey. What's your...
What is it, the 28th of October, beautiful day, it's Friday, and I'm not on reserve. So
departing
the boys text and say, hey, let's go to lunch.
Aircraft calling Poplar Grove. Looks like runway 12, winds are light, calm.
So we are going to run up to East Troy, Wisconsin, 57 Charlie. I guess we're going to grab a crew car and go have some barbecue. I've never been, but a couple of the other guys have been.
Helicopter just overflew the field. We're currently 2,200. We're going to fly westbound here for a bit to get out of the departure path for runway 20.
East Troy Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1722 Zulu weather wind 150 at 5 visibility 10 clear below 12,000 temperature 12 Celsius dew point 4 altimeter 3039er.
Harbor traffic, Cessna 733 Zulu Papa. Of Benton Harbor, last radio call, Benton Harbor traffic. You gonna make it before I will, Mike?
No, I'll extend it out for you. Paul, you doing 18?
27. I can't find Matt.
I'm just crossing the numbers on 26. Never tried it. Good jet 140 X-ray 3 miles south over flight for the left downwind runway 10 bend never. East Troy Skywagon left base 18 East Troy.
East Troy down Mike Foxtrot's left base runway 26 East Troy.
Hartford traffic Pawnee base runway 27 Hartford. East Troy, Skywagon final 18 East Troy.
East Troy 800 Mike Foxtrot, final 26 East Troy.
You in a 747?
Let's give it Matt room.
Traffic.
East Troy, Skyway, clear ball runway.
Traffic.
East Troy traffic, Stubborn 9, let me uniform 4 miles south, inbound for 18.
East Troy 0 Mike Foxtrot's clear 26.
Illinois Super Unleaded.
You really like that, by the way. Fuck. You see that? Like, I'm like, he wasn't talking, obviously. Well, he went around for Paul. Paul was already on the runway. Hi, how's it going? Yeah.
Thank you.
Go the wrong way. You got to park the RV8 back behind all the high wingers. Did you see me fly by you?
I saw you.
Yeah, I was.
Like
I had a full throttle, man. 175 indicated. I couldn't see you though.
I saw Matt fly by me like this, still, and I saw you fly by me.
I hope you didn't take offense because I saw you go. Whoa.
I was gonna do a wing over back in front, but I just kind of came back.
Okay.
Your stroll was awesome. Okay. I like that they all sync together. The tail. I like the tail. Here, get up front.
You gonna drive this thing? Stick?
We're good.
Yeah, we did there. Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Nice guy. Yeah.
Where are we going? This is a barbecue, right?
LD's barbecue.
LD's
What was that
barbecue.
white airplane?
Oh, we should have asked how the fuck to get out of the airport.
Drive by.
Just go down the runway.
They peeled the label off over and it's still got the star on it. 35. Yeah. Yep, 33.
Yeah, we're actually low tire in the crew car. Takes 4 pilots.
Maybe it gets us a bit home.
4 pilots to inflate the Ford.
You gotta pay by the PSI. We're at 13 PSI in those tires, and they ain't 35. Mike's like hanging out with a fucking TikTok.
Oh yeah. Was it that?
Yeah, we had a flight training stuff on it. Some franchises, it's their business model. They just, some McDonald's do it.